Alright guys, good morning. I got my rake. I'm gonna start raking today. I'm not gonna be making a lot of videos, but just wanted to show you what I'm doing. There's not many leaves on this side, but I'm gonna be going in to the garden beds in there, get all the leaves, clean it up, and then go around the front. There's a front area to the house. Anyway, just what I'm doing for this morning. Then after this, I'm gonna go plant some trees and do some more cleanup for other houses. So hopefully you guys are doing well. It's a beautiful day. I'm in my short sleeve, so I don't mind being outside today. The leaves are almost finished. That one still has a lot of leaves. So I might be coming back in a few weeks, but at least we can get started. Beautiful day. It actually rained all night last night, but now it's nice. Here are my two workmates today. Hello. Hello. Yeah, you guys will help me rake leaves? All right. There's never a dull moment. Woo! Yeah, you're just a puppy, aren't you? Yes, you are. Hey, George. I'll give you some loving too. Get in there. Yeah, good boy. Oh, girl. All right, done with this side. Come on. Go, 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 go. Ready, 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 go, go. We are getting there on the side. This much to go. All right, so not a bad day. The wind started to pick up a little. Wind is kind of your enemy when you're raking leaves. But pretty good. We'll probably rake it at least 1 or 2 more times before the winter comes. That's a good start. The city will come. They have a big vacuum cleaner. They'll come and vacuum this stuff up. And then we also have baggies over there. So both ways. So on to my next job after this. Look who greeted me when I got back. Hello. Hello. This is nice coming home from work. Yeah, hi.
I'm waiting for you.
What are you doing, huh? Do you have a good day today? It's a nice warm day today. Last night it rained pretty much the whole night through. It was a nice day to get some stuff done. I don't really, it was the same place. It was the same place where we planted trees. I went back there, but I didn't really do any video clips. But in the first place, I just raked leaves.
How are you? Alright.
That's good.
Good.
Yeah. Going back tomorrow morning.
Oh,
Watch your head.
she's very happy when you arrive.
Good. I'm happy to come home to happy people. Do it. Her new favorite word is. Her new favorite word is do it. Oh, do. Do. What language is that? Oh yeah, that's you. That's you. It's nice coming back home to you guys, man. Before, me and Eric would do this. Eric would greet me every day. Give me hugs. If he sees this, he'd kill me. Well, today was a good day of work though. raking leaves. Perfect day. Perfect. It was very warm. So, all right, guys, we're gonna go inside.
We had a good day. We saw a squirrel, a big squirrel. It's bigger than the other one.
Wow.
When we opened the door, it ran.
Oh man. So it got close to the door. Or it was just outside.
It's standing right that tree.
Wow.
Climbing there. Hey.
What are you doing? You gonna drive around? Yeah.
That is here now.
Is there anything you want to say? Speak your mind.
It's funny because this week it's like she keep walking. Like before she just sit down, right? Now she wants us to walk around.
Walk her around.
Yeah.
Any moment she's gonna be able to walk on her own. First we were like walking her with 2 hands for a long time, and then now it's pretty much 1 hand all the time because she likes to use her other hand.
Yes.
For picking up stuff.
Yeah. And I use now like the cloth to put in here so she can use both hands.
Yeah, okay. And we're trying to find something online where you can like go around the waist and the shoulders and you can stand up and then hold onto like some kind of handle.
I was training her to put in the bassinet. She doesn't stay for long.
Yeah. She's good with something for like maybe 5 minutes and then anything. Except for walking. She usually never gets bored of walking. What are you doing? What do? Alright guys, we're gonna go inside.
She's holding Inky.
She might be a soccer player.
She knows what to do. When it's stuck, she's gonna use her hands and then kick it.
If it gets stuck in the corner, she uses her hand to get it out. Then she kicks it. And then she gets pinky. This is her new favorite toy. Pinky the octopus.
You're so cute.
One pinky.
She came here to say hello.
Are you doing with the ball? I like your soccer moves. There's lots of your cousins are gonna want to play soccer with you soon. Her new favorite word is doy 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 doy. One day we can kick back and forth. Doy doy doy. 1, 2, 3, kick it. 1, 2, 3, go. Kick it. Uh-oh, it's stuck in there pretty good. Oh, you got it.
Hold me.
I'm barely holding onto her hand. It's there for moral support. That's about it. She's pretty much walking on her own.
Wait.
It's stuck? What are you gonna do? There you go. You got it.
Where are you going?
Oh, she sees her airplane. Got this from the airline.
Hi. You're there?
Hey, let's see if you can kick back and forth. Let's sit. You don't want to sit, do you? No.
She doesn't want to sit.
Yeah, 3 hours later, this is what we do. This is my new life.
Kicking the ball, saying doy, 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 doy.